Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna give you three main reasons why you should replace 30 or 40-year-old dry rotted tires on your road bike. And let's get into this video right now. Before I go any further, I just want to let you compare. So this is the 40-year-old dry rotted tire that you have over here. I'll let you see how it looks like. Now, this is the one that I replaced it with. The clincher, so the brand new 700C clincher. And back down there on my copy, I've got the brand new tubular. So tubeless right there. Okay, so let's get back to the video over here. So look over here. The first reason why you want to replace it is the safety. Now look here. This is the this tire has the wire holding it together on the rim. So if you look over here, this is very, very compromised. So if this rubber, rotten rubber, was to separate from this wire which is here, it could easily explode and you could break your neck. It would cause the safety. So the safety is the very first reason why you want to get rid of this tire and replace it with something like this. And I'll let you see, look at the difference. The difference is huge. And look at this one here. That is just huge. Okay, now let's get into the issue number two, which is, okay, look at the tread. So over here, the tread has been already, worn out. Okay, let's get this guy to focus. See over here, the tread is basically gone. I don't know why this thing has a hard time focusing, but that's the main problem here. You don't have any tread here, which is just another kind of safety feature. You're not gonna really get that out of it. Now, a lot of these, in particular case, this one has a low resistance tread on it. So it's meant, to run, a little quicker, but basically the tread is already gone. Now, another problem, the very last one, you see over here, this is the new one, and this is the old one, like I pointed out. You're not going to be able to inflate this tire like this one, because this is the new one, and you're going to be able to inflate it to, you see what it says there? 87, so 90 psi. This tire has been already compromised, so you're not going to be able to pump it up until about 90 psi, so you're not going to be able to get that performance, going back to that second point, to get something out of it. And it's definitely time to replace it, because there's no point riding the tire that you cannot put proper pressure in there, which will get you to use it just like this tire over here. So like I said, these are the main 3 points why you want to get rid of your 40-year-old tire and ride the brand new tire. And this one is going to be in my Amazon links down in the description, like all kinds of goodies, the bike goodies, so you can support my channel by ordering. And if you found this useful, give it a like and thumbs up. Take care, bye-bye.